Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos look cinematic and vintage in CapCut. So here you can just add the videos that you want to edit, and first go to the filters and head to the live category and add this humble filter. You can adjust it to your preference. I'm going to go with 40. Click on the check icon and let's go to adjust. Now you can fix up the brightness, contrast, and saturation. You can adjust it based on your videos. Okay, and after that I'm going to add some the other filter. Here I'm going to add the moody fall to make the color pop up. You can adjust it to your preference. I'm going to go with 85. Click on a check icon, and now you need to go to your browser, go to Google and find this film border round corner and download it to your phone. And after that, add the frame as overlay. So click on the overlay, add overlay. Let's find the image. So here the border or the frame will be added. Don't forget to adjust the line, the duration to match with your videos like this. And after that, here stretch it out until the frame fits, and after that go to splice and choose to darken, and your footage will be seen on the frame. You can always adjust it more. Click on a check icon and you are done. So this is a cinematic and vintage video. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.